Good evening, everyone. I'm Rudy Trevino.
And I'm Leslie Adamy. At the top tonight, the COVID-19 Delta variant, first discovered in India, has made its way to the Lone Star State. The variant, however, has not been reported here in Nueces County.
Yeah, but it is something the health district tells our Julissa Garza they're concerned about and keeping a close eye on. That report in our top story tonight at 10.
From last month to this month, I think everybody knows in the United States, we went from having about 1% of the variants were Delta variants a month ago. And now we're up to 6% of the variants are Delta variant.
COVID-19 variants have been a big concern throughout the pandemic, and the Delta variant is now on the health district's radar.
More transmissible, more lethal, and so people should be fearful of picking up a variant.
City County Public Health Director Annette Rodriguez says the variant has not yet been reported in Nueces County.
We don't test every COVID-19 swab for the variants. You know, we all know that. We test very few of those that we swab for genome sequencing.
Rodriguez says because of the Delta variant, the health district is keeping a close eye on those who have been fully vaccinated for at least 2 weeks and may have contracted the virus.
And now you either have COVID-19 again and you've been hospitalized. We're looking at those very carefully, and we're actually going to genome sequence those to make sure that they're not the Delta variant.
And when it comes to the variants, Rodriguez says they're worried about children under 12 who are not yet eligible for the vaccine.
People need to be reminded that while they've been fully vaccinated and they do not need to wear a mask, you know, they should still require their children to wear masks.
Rodriguez adding that children are the most vulnerable population right now.
You know, when we went months with the Driscoll Children's Hospital having no cases of COVID-19. Now we see every day they have 2 or 3 cases.
And although the daily number of cases and hospitalizations are low, Rodriguez says we're still not in the clear.
The summertime, it's starting to feel a little bit more like normal. There is nothing still normal about our life at this point.
Urging residents to remain cautious and get vaccinated. Julissa Garza, 3 News.